Welcome back to Misfit Mutts Garage, and another day of the Spicy Saga. So, what's happened to poor old Spicy? We got her running, she got her idling, she's doing pretty good, and then we were tracking Brutus for a track day, and all hell broke loose. So, she's now missing her ignition system. New one is on its way, so don't you worry about that. Today we're fixing some royal front suspension issues. If you cut back to this crazy video, yeah, you'll see that Howard the Lemons guy, butt-ass terrible, something like that. So, today we fix. We're going to start with a bunch of bushings, some ball joints, and some other fun stuff. Let me lay that all out for you, and we'll take a tour. So what do we have for our guy Spicy? We have the combo bushing sets, softs and hards for the front tie bars, some fast road lower bushes, some adjustable bottom arms, some adjustable tie rods, some longer outer tie rods, some OG crazy Swidham style ball joints, along with some Fletcher roll center adjusting jobbies, and the last bracket to fix the camber in the back. Non-adjustable, but does its job. Then, bonus time, if we have time, we have a carb rebuild kit with a yellow top spring. I have a new jet for it. I also have a short shift, because the shifter in Spicy is, well, junk. And if you remember from our engine build series, we had an issue with the fuel pump. This is a block off plate to make it all go away. So, come along. Let's see what we can do to this old girl. Loosen off upper and lower ball joints. I can take this off. I can take. It's just all coming apart. Just that's not the right size. That is. That's not. That is. Let's get that off. That wasn't on very tight. Awesome. Alright, that guy's gotta come off. That's too loose. That's slightly better. What's going on? 5/8. What are you? It's not a 5/8. It's not a 16, it's not a 17, it's not a 7/16. And so whatever size will come off, because I don't care anymore. There we go. Now I gotta remove the brake caliper because this whole lemon jam is coming off. It's a lightweight caliper. It's fine. I hear ya. Quit your bitching. Alright. So, now we're gonna hit things with hammers. I usually like to start with this guy. There we go. Not that I really want it off, but it's a start. Ta-da! Ta-da! I should have done that one first. Put this bolt back in a little bit. Now, I'm among the threads, but it doesn't matter because we put in new ball joints in, so I didn't care. You want to save your ball joints, leave your nuts on slightly loose. There we go. Nope. Okay. It's munged. We're just going to take this whole bottom piece out and go from there. That. And then, I don't know, find out what size this one is. Am I sticking my tongue out enough? Am I getting it done? Yeah, probably. Alright. Oh, yeah. Those are shot. Look at that thing. I hope that's in focus. It's dead. It's all dead. We'll get this out, get this off. Life will be good. Alright, thanks for joining. Thank you for joining us in this episode of Misfit Mutts Garage. We worked a little on Spicy, getting her ready for her first race since we rebuilt the motor. She's gone through quite a bit of changes. We did track rod bushings, main suspension arms with camber kits. Pretty much everything you saw there on the shelf has been installed, and we're psyched and ready to go. Now, yes, I have to admit, this is being filmed in the future. We've been to that event. It was a lot of fun, and I can't wait to share that with you. We did lose some film, and so we are just summing up what we did, which was just tighten that poor Mini up. As you'll see, it had some serious issues back in the day. Matt actually tracked her twice like that, which is astounding. He didn't, one, crash, two, hurt her even worse. It was terrible. And he actually paid somebody to go through it and have it track prepped. And that's how they returned it. They didn't take the time to put it on the lift even. They would have seen how terrible it was. So guys, please, whether you trust your shop with your life or not, check your carb, check your wheel bearings, check your bushings, check your ball joints. They are your safety. I know minis are slow, but it's no excuse. British engineering is actually really good. You have to take care of it. So please, check all your bushings, check everything. There should be no clunking, no play. There should be nothing funny when you put on the brakes. It should track true and straight. So please, learn from Matt, learn from me, watch these videos, and watch the other videos out there. There's a ton from Mini DIY, Steveson Motor Co., Ireland in real life. I forget his real name. He's an Irish guy. He does some amazing videos walking you through all kinds of really cool technical things. And we're not a technical channel. We are here primarily to take you on the adventures we go on here in America with some classic minis being driven like the Americans don't usually drive their minis. So we're really excited to take you on. And this first autocross is the first adventure. And next up, we're gonna continue on with some further stuff, pushing them, hoping even to hit some hill climbs this year and really see what minis can do. It's a learning experience for me. I've raced Volkswagens for many years and kind of got tired of them, honestly. And I've been looking for something new. So love minis, dreamed of owning a mini, dreamed of tracking a mini. This was supposed to go and see some track views. She's too beautiful. She's not gonna go. So Spicy is it. Spicy's gonna get ragged on. Spicy's gonna get a full cage. Spicy's might get a little turbo action. I'm not sure. We'll see what the future comes and brings. So yeah, join us in our adventure. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Catch you next time. Thanks so much.